Hello everyone, it's 𝖈𝖊𝖋𝖎𝖙𝖎𝖔𝖓 Makeup and Lifestyle channel, and it's such a pleasure to be back again in this new season of 2021. And I've compiled snippets, I'll call it mini tutorial, that would not last longer than 4 minutes each, of eyebrow definition and contour, the face contour, lip liner, just what have you. And I hope you would enjoy it. So this is today's broadcast, but I'm going to break it down into about 3 or 4 different mini tutorials, so it's easy to manage and easy for you to go back and learn what I've been able to communicate with you. And I hope you will enjoy it. And we're going to start off with the eyebrow definition and contour, and I'll move on to other things. And as the weeks go by, remember I promised to intimate even those who are shy makeup users to begin to experiment on what they already have, and to intimate you with how to work with colors, and how you can build your makeup from just lipstick using to eyeshadow palette and to other things that, and then also to teach you what are the uses of certain things. You hear primer, you hear contour, you hear what have you. Whatever it is that sounds new, I will take some time to explain to you. And if you notice, I've really arched my brow today, and that is just to tell you that you can elevate your look. You can elevate your look. It depends on how you feel and what you want to achieve. If you want to feel like elongating your look, then arch your brow upwards. I've just done that today. And I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. And if you do, drop a word or two privately or openly, whichever way. I would appreciate. Even a criticism will really help us to work better. Thank you very much. Once again, it's 𝖈𝖊𝖋𝖎𝖓𝖙𝖎𝖔𝖓, and I am the CEO of 𝖈𝖊𝖋𝖎𝖓𝖙𝖎𝖔𝖓 Makeup Limited, and it's 𝖈𝖊𝖋𝖎𝑓 Makeup and Lifestyle channel. Thank you for joining us again today. We use a lighter shade to contour the brows that have been defined. So we use a lighter shade to contour underneath the eyebrow, and a darker shade to contour above the eyebrow. I'm using a water-based so a darker shade is going to be used to contour above the eyebrow. So now that the brows have been contoured and defined, what you need to do is to blend. So you get your beauty blender and then you blend up. Okay, so that it's smooth. That is how you. So you just finish and you take care of the rest. So I've arched my brows and I did that, purposely just to show you that you can elevate your look. So today we've elevated our look. I've elevated my look. I feel like the eyebrow style today. Tomorrow we'll try a different style. That's